Okay, so after looking at the videos, I hope all of you understand the concept of the matrices. So all of you try exercise 3.1 by yourself. Okay, so I'm starting from exercise 3.2 with some questions. Okay, so I want to take, first of all of you try to do the basic questions because 1 and 2 is very easy. So I'm starting from question number 3. Okay, 3 of 1 I'm doing AB minus BA, A minus B, BA. So now that means you have to multiply. So before multiplying you have to check the order. So column and row must be equal. So it is equal and the final output will be coming as again 2 by 2 matrix, is not it? It will again come as output 2 by 2 matrix, that is A11, A12, A21 and A22. So first of all, always you have to check whether possibility of multiplication is there or not. After that only you do the multiplication. So let us see. So A of A square plus B square. Next, minus AB plus AB. Then second row first column, second row first column. So minus AB plus AB, then B square plus A square. So what is the final output we are getting? A square plus B square, 0, 0, A square plus B square. So this is the final ultimate multiplication of this given matrix. Okay, let me do question number 2. 1, 2, 3. So it is 3 into 1 matrix, and second is 2, 3, 4, that is 1 into 3. So matrix is possible multiplication, yes, because same value. And what is the output? Matrix should come as 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means total how many elements? 9 elements. So how it will come? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, so total there will be how many? 9. So first row multiplied with first column will be 2. Then first row, second column will be 3. 1 into 4 will be the 3. So now second row first column, 2 into 2 will be 4. 2 into 3 will be 6. 2 into 4 will be 8. So 3, 1, that means third row first column will be 6. 3 into 3 will be 9. 3 into 4 will be 12. So this is the output of our question number 2. Okay. So let me take question number 3. 1 minus 2, 2, 3. So all of you should always write the order, okay? Then there will be no mistake in doing. So it is 2 into 3. So if you see 2 and 2 value is matching, and what is the output to come? 2 into 3. 2 into 3 means 2 rows and 3 column. That is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22 and A23. So first row you have to multiply with first column. So 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4. This is A11. Okay, next is A12. Again first row second column. So 1 into 2 will be 2 plus minus 2 into 3 will be minus 6. A13, again first row is same, you have to multiply with third column. So 1 into 3 will be 3 plus minus 2. Okay, next is second row first column. 2 into 1 will be 2 plus 3 into 2 will be 6. Then 2 into 2 will be 4 plus 3 into 3 will be 9. So 2 into 3 will be 6 plus 3 into 1 will be 3. So what is the output you will get? Minus 3, minus 4, 1, 8, 13, 9. So this is the output of our matrix. So in this way we do the multiplication of our matrix. Okay. So I want to do question number 6. So those questions which are tough, I am doing for you all, okay? Remaining, all of you try. Because this chapter, if you do it thoroughly, it is very easy to score. So you have to find the answer of this question number 6. So what we will do is cos theta, we have to multiply to this first matrix, because cos theta is acting as a scalar quantity to this matrix and sin theta is acting as the scalar quantity to this matrix. So this will be cos square theta sin theta minus cos theta sin theta cos square theta, plus now sin theta will be sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta cos theta, then sin square theta. Okay, now you have to add this to matrix. So cos square theta plus sin square theta, all we know as 1, isn't it? So cos theta sin theta minus cos theta sin theta will be 0. Then minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta will also be 0. Then cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So this is the answer of our question number 6. Okay. Next, question number 7. Find the value of x and y if x plus y is given as 7025, okay, and x minus y is 3003. Okay, so this you marked as 1, this you marked as 2. Consider this as a linear equation. Okay, so if you add equation 1 plus equation 2, so on the left hand side you will have x plus y plus x minus y, and on the right hand side you have to also add the matrix. So on the left hand side, plus y minus y will be cancelled, so it will be 2x, and then on the right hand side will be 10 0 2 8. Then your x value, so half will come down, that is 10 0 2 8. Now you have to apply the division operation. So in division operation, that means each matrix element you have to divide by 2. So the answer will be 5 0 1 and 4. Okay, next again equation 1 minus equation 2. So x plus y minus x plus y. Now you have to add your, now you have to do subtraction on also on your right hand side. So on subtraction, plus x and minus x will be cancelled. So how much you will have? 2y, and this will come as 4022. So y value again it will come as half, 4022. So what is the answer? 2011. So your x value is coming as this and your y value is coming as this. Okay, so we have to do this as a equation. Okay, so the answer is correct or not, how we will do? So it is given x plus y should come as 7025. Okay, so now if you place the value of x is 5014 and y value as 2011, so what is the output we are getting? 7025. So it is matching with our right hand side. That means our x value and our y value are correct. So you can do your cross verification by yourself. Okay. Okay, next question number 8. It is given y matrix is given as 3 2 1 4, and one more equation is given 2x plus y is coming as 1 0 minus 3 2. So you have to find the x. So very easy. So what you do is, in place of y you put the matrix 3 2 1 4 equal to 1 0 minus 3 2. So you have to think it like an equation. So this matrix will go on the right hand side. So it will be minus of 3 2 1 4. So 2x, so 1 minus 3 will be minus 2, 0 minus 2 will be minus 2, 3 minus 1 will be minus 4, will be this. So that means x will be now again, so minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2. So what is the output we will get? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. So this is our matrix X. Suppose if you have question number 10 I am taking, so 2 times of x, y, sorry, x, z, y, t plus 3 times of 1 minus 1, 0, 2 given equal as 3 times of 3, 5, 4, 6. So you have to find the value of x, y, z and t. So on the left hand side we will write 2x, 2z, 2y, 2t plus 3 minus 3, 0, 6, isn't it? So on the left hand side we will be having 2x plus 3, 2z minus 3, 2y, 2t plus 6, is not it? And equal given as 9, 15, 12, 18. So 9, 15, 12, 18. So it is coming the concept of equality of matrix. Now you can compare your matrix. So 2x plus 3 will be coming as 9. So 2x equal to 6. X value is coming as 3. Then 2z minus 3 will be 15. 2z equal to 18. So z will be coming as 9. So 2y is given equal to 12. Y will be equal to 6. Then 2t plus 6 equal to 18. 2t equals to 12. So t is coming as 6. So in this way we are finding the 4 variables. Okay. Next question number 12. So again given 3 times of x, y, z, w equal to x, 6 minus 1, 2w plus 4 x plus y z plus w and 3. So you are asked to find the unknown x, y, z and w. Okay. So on the left hand side will be 3x, 3y, 3z, 3w, isn't it? And on the right hand side we will have x plus 4, 6 plus x plus y. Next is minus 1 plus z plus w, then 2w plus 3. Okay. So x plus 4 will be equal to 3x. That means minus 2x minus 4. So x is 2. Okay. Next is 3y equal to 6 plus x plus y. Okay. So y will come this side, will be 2y and 6 plus x. So already we have got the value of x. So 6 plus 2. So y will be coming as 4. Okay. Third is minus 1 plus z plus w equal to 3z. Okay. That is w minus 1 equal to 2z. So we don't know this. So we are keeping it as, and fourth element is 2w equal to 3w equal to 2w plus 3. So w is coming as 3. So let us put this w value here. So how much we will get? 3 minus 1 equal to 2z. That is 2z equal to 2. So z is coming as 1. So x value is 2, y is coming 4, w is 3, z is coming as 1. So the answer is right or wrong? Simply you put here and see. 3 times of x means 3 into 2 will be how much? 6. X is 2 plus 4. So this first element is matching. Then 3 times of y is 4. So 3 into 4 is 12. So 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So this element is also matching. So 3 times of z is 3 into 1 is 3. So this one will be minus 1 plus z. Z is 1. So this will cancel. W is 3. So third element is also matching. So 3 times of w means 3 into 3, 9. So this would also come as 9. So 2 times of W is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So fourth element is also matching. That means our unknown X, Y, Z and W are correct. Okay. So in this way we can do the sums based on the multiplication, addition, then equality, all falls under this exercise. Okay. Thank you.